During the development of this project, we extensively reviewed the environmental impact of construction as well as the impact on cultural resources such as historic sites.
The stone fences in central Kentucky are icons of our Irish American heritage, and it's the dry stone construction that is a unique character to two places in the world, Ireland and central Kentucky. And that's our heritage, and that's something that we need to protect, whether it's dry stone fences or the landscape, rural preservation. That's the image that is central Kentucky.
We also have committed to restoring the land to its original state. We have worked very hard to minimize the impact on the environment of the construction.
Kentucky American Water is very committed to environmental stewardship. We're going to plant this facility back with native warm season grasses and plants that are native to the state of Kentucky when we're complete with the project.
I was more impressed with the cleanup effort and the restoration after they moved on. They've done an excellent job of reseeding, regrading, and I've had several of my friends and neighbors that live out here that, and I agree with them. The area looks better now than it did before the pipeline went through.
The Elkhorn Creek is a unique resource for central Kentucky, and we wanted to do everything we could to protect that resource.
We tried to first find a pipeline route that would only cross the creek once, and the pipe could be installed quickly and easily to minimize the impact of construction. So based on that, the route we chose was to cross the creek in Schweitzer, just downstream of the historic covered bridge. Then we looked at the construction methods that we would use to minimize the impact. We began by placing large 3-foot cubic sandbags in a semicircle that blocked half of the creek. So then we pumped the water out of the area and installed the pipe 8 feet deep, halfway across the creek. Then we backfilled the pipe using concrete, except for the top 18 inches, which was replaced with the native soil material or rock. Then we moved the sandbags to the other half of the creek and just repeated the process.
One of the commitments that we made was that the pipeline would minimize any blasting, and the contractor actually brought in trenchers to dig the trench and go through the rock. At this point, we've actually been able to avoid all blasting along the pipeline construction.